Welcome to Bloggingify guys, and in this video I will guide you how you can purchase GutenKit Pro plugin for your WordPress website from Bloggingify store. So let's get started. So first open your browser and type for Bloggingify store. Don't worry, I will share you the direct product link in the description box. So just click on the description link and you will redirect here. Okay. So here you can see we have lots of WordPress themes and plugins with lifetime auto update and yearly auto update. So if you need anything else, so just click on this search icon and type what you need. Basically in this video we'll talk about GutenKit Pro. So let me type Guten. So here you can see details about this product. So here you can see $15 for a single domain, update validity, lifetime auto update, installation manually we will install, a license type original license key we have, so you will receive automatic update from your WordPress dashboard. So if you want to change the currency, for example if you live in India, so you can select INR, and if you outside of India you can select USD and Euro currency. Okay, so I am from India, let me select INR and click on add to cart button, and now click on checkout button. Let me clear this studio card. So now click on checkout button, and here you can you have to fill your billing information on this section, your first name, last name, and WhatsApp number, email address, and so more. So if you from India, you can select cash free and phone pay payment solution for the payment confirmation, and if you outside of India, you can select PayPal for the payment confirmation and confirm your payment. After the payment confirmation, you will redirect on this type of thank you page, and here you can see a download button. Just click on it and you will receive our premium contact support there. So just share our website temporary access with us and we will install your product in a few minutes. Okay, that's a simple process. So I hope guys you love this video and tutorial too. So if you have any doubt, any query, you can do a comment in comment section. And once again, thank you so much guys for watching this video.